This is the exact moment a trader's heart starts pounding. This is the get big signal. This stock, BYND, had its market cap 12x in just 2 days. It was a hot potato game with billions of shares flying around. But on day 3, the party ended. I'm going to show you the exact setup we used to short this, from the plan we made before the market opened to the precise signal to get aggressive. First, you have to understand why this was the best short of 2025. This wasn't a healthy company. BYND was on the verge of bankruptcy. To survive, they did a debt for equity swap that quadrupled their share count. They diluted shareholders by 80%. The stock collapsed from $2 to 50 cents. That is what a fundamentally broken company looks like. It was left for dead. But then the meme stock mechanism kicked in. On October 20th, the company announced a legal victory. That was just enough of a catalyst. The Wall Street Bets crew took notice and the frenzy began. On day 1, it gapped from 60 cents to over $1. It traded 1 billion shares. It closed on its highs. Our desk was actually long this day. On day 2, it did it again. It traded 2 billion shares and closed above 350. Think about that. A company that just 4x'd its share count also 3x'd its price. That's a 12 times increase in market cap in 2 days. This was a classic hot potato trade, and it was getting very, very crowded. This brings us to day 3. This is one of the most popular short-term trading patterns, selling a third day gap up after a huge run-up. The risk to reward was finally shifting to the short side. Here's the game plan I tweeted that morning. The key level was $7. I called this the inflection point. The rule is simple. If it stays below 7, the easiest path is lower, and I'm looking to get short. If it trades above it, I stay away. Now let's watch the tape. This is where the magic happens. We got 3 distinct signals that buyers were exhausted. Signal number 1, at 10:30, it pokes above 7, the inflection point, immediately fails. This is a look above and fail. It's my first sign that buyers are exhausted. Signal 2, for the next 25 minutes, it just sits under 7, it can't reclaim it, it's heavy. This is confirmation. And signal number 3, the sharp break of 6. This was the signal to get big. This was the break of consolidation. Sellers were in control. It was also the first time it was holding below VWAP. At this point, we're in, we're sized up, and the psychological pressure shifts. Now, it's not about if we're right, it's about how much we can make. So, where do you take profits? You must have a target. The best practice is to zoom out. The most obvious high probability target was this. The gap fill from the prior day's close just below 4. This is one of the most common spots for a stock to bounce. So, as a firm, we were out of almost our entire short position right into that $4 level. And look what happened. It bounced almost $1 from that exact spot. My job as a short-term trader isn't to hold this short to 0. My job is to capture the high probability part of the move, control my risk, and get out at a logical target. That's the anatomy of a perfect short. This is the kind of analysis we do every single day. If you want to see more real-world videos, breakdowns, and learn these setups, follow me and check out our pre-market game plan at SMBU.
So you're an active trader, not doing as well as you want, not doing as well as you deserve, and you just can't figure out why you can't become profitable no matter how hard you try. Well, let me show you why. This is your competition. The traders in this room. This room right here is full of elite traders, some of whom are making 7 and even 8 figures a year. In fact, our top guys have made nearly 20 million each in net trading profits in a single year. Let's head to my office so I can share more. So you're probably used to seeing videos of lavish trader lifestyles, trading gurus, trading off of the laptop for an hour a day, heck, maybe even 15 minutes a day, and then them relaxing on some secluded beach for the rest of the day. Well, all I can tell you is that our traders train like pro athletes. They live and breathe the markets and are continually working on their trading skills. Because at our firm, that's what we found it really takes to make it in this game. I'm Mike Bellafiore, co-founder and managing partner of S&B Capital, one of the world's top proprietary trading firms located in Midtown Manhattan. And we're always looking for trading talent to hire and develop. And not just to trade in-house on our desk, but also to trade from their own home, entirely using our firm's capital. And we have numerous traders doing just that, allowing them to make upwards of 7 figures trading the firm's capital without risking their own money. But to even get a shot at something like that, you need to have the right training. That's why we're doing a new free online presentation in which we share how you can get an interview with S&B to become an in-house or remote trader, trading firm capital without risking yours and gaining access to all of our firm's coaching and resources. And the best part? You don't have to be a profitable trader yet. In fact, we prefer to mold profitable traders with our methods and our techniques. That's why we have just 3 simple criteria that can earn anyone an interview. We're looking for highly ambitious and determined traders who fit our culture first and foremost. So if you believe that could be you, sign up for the free 1-hour online presentation by clicking the link that's in your top right corner of your screen now.